everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. It's the middle of the summer, and believe it or not, I'm selling sweaters. All right, so let's just get right into it. This is a Maidenform Control Slimming Panty, black, solid. I'm going to give you the numbers that I earned. This is after Poshmark fees, after shipping fees, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for it, deduct that, write it on the board. So this is a Maidenform Control Slimming Panty, black, solid. I earned $5.25, came from a liquidation box where I only spent $1 for it, so $4.25 are my profits on that particular item. The next thing that I have is a new without tags Wild Faber size 7.5 loafers with a 2-inch heel. $6.05 is what I paid. That came right out of my closet. So $6.05 is what I get to keep because I didn't have to buy it. Well, I mean, I bought it, but it came out of my closet. So all profit for me. All right. Women's seamless bodysuit, black, size medium. $7.05 is what I paid out of a liquidation box for $1. So $6.05 are my profits on that one. Then I've got a women's lace underwire bra exhilaration. This also came out of a liquidation box. I earned $3.05. $2.05 is, $3.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $2.05 are my actual positive profits. Then I've got a bundle of 2 nursing bras. Those have been selling great for me. So here's a women's full coverage black nursing bra. And then here's a nursing full coverage lace bra, kind of a tan color. They're both 40D. So I paid $1 a piece on each one of those bras. So $2 invested, $17.60 is what I have earned. So $15.60 after I take off my $2 that I actually paid for them. And then I have this hat, men's striped brim baseball hat, Goodfellow & Company. $3.05 is what I paid. $2 out of a bulk liquidation box. Long time ago is when I bought that. So $3.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid for it. So $1.05 are my profits on that one. Then I've got another undergarment here, a unlined micro bra, I keep calling it Jillian and O'Malley. It's Gilligan and O'Malley. Gilligan and O'Malley beige. $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. $4.05 are my profits. I've also got another. I got a bunch of cases of undergarments, which is why I'm selling so many bras because I simply just have a lot on the store. And so a women's multi-lace high apex bralette. $4.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. $3.05 are my profits on that one. Then we're going to wander back on down here. I actually have 1 more of these left. These are awesome. A New Day women's hinge tote handbag, black. They're really, really humongous and very, very stylish. I love them. They were $2 out of a liquidation box. $4.25 is my earnings. To give you an example with the difference between earnings and what they bought for them, they actually paid $9 for this purse, but my earnings were $4.25 after the Poshmark fees and shipping and all that. So $4.25, $2 out of a liquidation. So $2.25 are my profits on that one. Then I have a bundle, and this is what I talked about at the beginning. It is the middle of June, and I actually sold sweaters, 3 of them. And so I've got this new without tags, Christopher & Banks, 3-button sweater, shrug. And then I've got a pink rose, gorgeous open weave black sequin top, and then a classic chaps lightweight sweater with blouse. And those were all... Let me see. Those are all Goodwill outlet buys for about $2. $7.05 is what I earned. So $5.05 are my profits on that one. Then this next one is a really cute girl's sweater dress. This came right out of my closet for $4.05 of earnings. And so $4.05 is what I get to keep. Then I have, I think this is a... Okay, then I have a green shirt here, a new with tags, Umbro XXL bronze green off the shoulder sleeve top. And plus sizes usually sell really well for me. I got that out of a liquidation box for $1. $2.05 is what I earned, so $1.05 are my profits on that one. Then I sold a really cool leather bullet bracelet. I've got a bunch more of these in various different sizes. This one is gold with dark brown leather, and then I also have silver ones with black leather, silver ones with light brown leather, and other gold bronze looking ones. So I spent 50 cents on that from a wholesaler, and $1.05 is what I earned, and so 55 cents on that bracelet. Then I have a one of my USA denim American flag full bling rhinestone caps. $3 is what I paid. $4.05 is what I earned. So $1.05 are my profits on that one. Then I've got a Auden Sublime Lace Plunge Push-Up Bra 42 Triple D or 42F. $7.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $6.25 are my profits there. Just a couple more items here. I've got a unlined micro bra, Gilligan and O'Malley black, size 36C. $1 is what I paid. $5.25 is what I earned. $4.25 are my profits on that. Then the last thing that I have on my list is a nursing bralette, Gilligan and O'Malley. $7.25 is what I earned. So I paid $1, $6.25. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of these numbers, let you know what the total for these last 2 days is, and then how many orders it came out to be. All right, I added everything up and it came out to 17 separate orders for a total of $72.90. So that gives you a glimpse into 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Hopefully you can earn a lot on Poshmark. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact me at hookedonpickin.com, or you can look for some of my items that I have for sale on hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.